Do the kicking. Are you recording yet?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
So we are here in the middle. Where are we at? Mifflin?
Newport.
We're here in Newport. We're here. We found an abandoned sawmill. So we're just out here.
Sticking around.
Yeah, pretty much looking around, investigating. Yeah, the camera makes me feel like I'll be able to capture my murder.
Wow, this looks like it only shut down recently.
Yeah, there's still calendars. What year's that calendar? 2012?
2012.
So as you can see, the calendars for 2012, it's still pinned up. This place barely looks like it's been touched.
Look at the whiteboard.
It's not even fucking, like, degraded.
Faded. The fly paper strip's still good. I don't want to check it. I kind of wanted to check.
Start electrical fire.
We can add ours into our
Deer
list.
are dumb, but people are smart. I can't see people
Or care.
or care.
Or camo. Or camo.
Oh, or
Somebody will call it.
camo. There's a nude lady. I can't show that.
Where's
you-
the new lady?
Right there.
Oh.
Look at this. Oh, fuck. What the hell?
It's plywood trapper.
Oh, well, I can't see. I'm not looking at my feet. Probably should be.
Looks like, oh.
2012.
This is like someone kicked the door in. Oh, there's still gloves here.
There's gloves. Yeah, oops. Kick the fucking door in. Where'd Brian go?
He's not getting the.
There's an ashtray over here.
We should take that for Webby's car.
Look at that. There's still stuff in their things.
I think I see him.
There's still cigarette butts in this ashtray.
Webby! I swear to God, I'm gonna murder you.
Did he just walk? He just walked off from the woods, the jackass.
He's probably out by the car.
I think it's this. Oh, sorry. Can I say that?
Yeah, I don't care. It's my YouTube channel. I don't care if I don't get monetized. Was that you? Is that you?
What was that?
You have a terrible poker face. Didn't we teach you better? Didn't we teach you better?
This is great. I'm glad we decided to do this. So yeah, this is the premises of this new channel.
Lights, jackass.
There's a car coming. We had to hide the lights. You guys got to say lights louder.
Yeah. So we can warn all the passing cars.
Well, you don't have to yell it. They're not going to hear us. So, yeah, as I was saying before, we got distracted. This is an abandoned sawmill. Over here in Newport, Pennsylvania. Lights.
A couple of abandoned warehouses.
Yeah. Oh, and I apologize for maybe the quality of the video or the angle. I'm using my phone to start until we can get actual gear. But expect more uploads like this, places.
We also have to do this in the dead of winter. I mean, I don't like asbestos.
Right? Does the door work?
No.
Is it a push? What's it stuck on?
It's probably bolted from the other side.
Yeah, that's probably it.
Well, I think we've exhausted all the
Shit we can do in this place.
Yeah, do you guys want to hit a second site?
Sure.
You can hear the train in the background. That's still wet. Is there a leak on the roof?
Yeah, I see it. Yeah.
But do you really want to try to? Oh, what's in here?
Probably storeroom. Okay.
So Chad just goes wandering in.
Chad likes his shit.
Yeah, it's just storeroom.
So as you can tell, we didn't find anything crazy, but this definitely is